front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app. Now select pictures or albums at the bottom, and wherever you decided, hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of. To select multiple, use this icon at the top left corner. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!